So today I went out to look for a budget keyboard for content creators, for gamers too. So I found the Royal RK87 keyboard. So let's unbox it. Yep, let's see. All right. Keyboard is nice. Yep. Yeah, it sounds nice too. I love that. Let's see what comes within the case. Let's keep this aside. Okay. So it comes with we call Type-C card. Yeah, 2-in-1, USB and Type-C. I think this should be a lifter. This should be a lifter for the under the keyboard to lift it high or something maybe. I'm going to test it out soon. Yeah, so extra keyboard buttons or keys, extra keyboard keys. Yeah, so these are what comes with the keyboard. So let's get the keyboard back. I love how the keyboard sounds. Pretty nice and very strong too. Yep, the keyboard sounds very nice. I love how it sounds. It sounds very premium. This keyboard is under $100. You can find it on Amazon for $90 or something. So let's try it out. Let's try it out. Okay. Damn, nice, man. Manual. Let's see what we have. Okay. So this goes under. So more or less, it lifts the keyboard higher for you. Balance it properly for you. Okay. So you have, yeah. You can customize the keyboard light. I think I prefer the white. The white looks good. Yep. I think I prefer the white. But let's see other colors. So it has red. So the lights are customizable, so you can customize it the way you want. I'm looking for the perfect settings for myself. So this is I think I prefer these settings. So when you type, light comes on. So see you guys in the next video.